Today, we're diving deep into a review of Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu Haneda Airport Terminal 2, located in Tokyo, Japan. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu Haneda Airport Terminal 2, get your trip off to a great start with a stay at this property, which offers free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Conveniently situated in the Haneda International Airport part of Tokyo, this property puts you close to attractions and interesting dining options. Don't leave before paying a visit to the famous Sensoji Temple. Rated with 4 stars, this high-quality property provides guests with access to massage and restaurant on site. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Tokyo Tower, 25-minute drive. Ginza, 26-minute drive. Shibuya Crossing, 28-minute drive. Meiji Jingu, 32-minute drive. And also close to attractions like Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, 33-minute drive. Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observation Room, 35-minute drive. Tokyo Skytree, 35-minute drive. Asakusa, 36-minute drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. I had a fantastic experience staying at the Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyo at Haneda Airport Terminal 2. The hotel's convenient location, just a 5-minute walk from the monorail and Kikyu lines, made it the perfect choice for my early flight with ANA and Airdo. Despite being situated right at the terminal, the room was remarkably quiet, allowing for a peaceful stay. The cleanliness and spaciousness of the room, complete with a comfortable bed and well-equipped bathroom, exceeded my expectations. I especially appreciated the thoughtful amenities provided, such as the bidet and heated mirror. The hotel's service was impeccable, and the free shuttle bus made getting to the other terminals a breeze. Overall, my stay at the Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyo was truly delightful, and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a comfortable and convenient stay near the airport. I stayed at Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyo Haneda Airport Terminal 2, and it was a convenient choice for my layover. Being located right after ANA domestic check-in was extremely convenient. The hotel was clean, comfortable, and allowed me to store my luggage until my evening international flight. I recently stayed at the Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyo Haneda Airport Terminal 2 during a layover in Tokyo and had a fantastic experience. The hotel's convenient location near Terminal 2 allowed me to easily fit in a morning run along the protected sidewalk, and the well-equipped room provided everything I needed for a restful stay. The hotel's flexibility with late check-in and reasonable late checkout fee made my transit smooth and hassle-free. I would definitely choose to stay here again when passing through Haneda Airport. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 7 out of 10. For couples, 7 out of 10. For friend groups, 9 out of 10. For solo travel, 10 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 8 out of 10. Cleanliness, 10 out of 10. Service, 10 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip,